Risa, bakit dito naka-display ang ano?
Dito talaga.
Picture ng husband mo.
Photo ni Frank. Kasi, bakit nga ba? Kasi dito may space for a bigger photo. Tapos, dito kami madalas na mga bata magkumpulan.
So para kasama ninyo siya.
And of course, sa sala din kami nagkukumpulan, pero walang space to hang his photo here. Dati nga, nung in the early years, pag aalis kami ng bahay, pag uuwi, itatouch pa namin.
Oh, really?
So yun, so nakikita pa rin nila siya, lalo na when we have meals.
You were married to a military man, were you?
I was. Frank, my late husband, we were married for a decade and a half also.
But then, of course, you lost him at a very young age.
Younger than I am now. He was only 43.
He was only 43, and you were about 40.
I was 39.
39. Is it all right to talk about that period?
Yeah,
sure. Are you over it? I mean, madali na bang ikwento yon yung struggle and...
Kasi hindi naman namin kinakalimutan ng mga bata. Sabi ko, we don't forget important things, even if they're not happy. Parang, hinahabi mo lang sa buhay mo. And then, that's the way you can move on. It's not to leave things behind. It's not to forget anything that's a part of you. Pero, just to weave it in. Kasi, syempre, at the moment, parang, di talaga bagay. Talaga, it doesn't fit, di ba? It doesn't belong. So, parang, hinahabi mo lang. And then, para... Dala mo pa rin. Sabi ko sa mga bata, you keep talking to Papa, pag may tanong kayo.
Really?
Yes, or if you need some help, talk to him in your thoughts or in your prayers. Tapos, sasagutin niya kayo. Whether in your own thoughts or in your dreams. Tapos sabi ko rin sa kanya, keep letting the children feel your presence. It's not Mel in any yung parang spooky way.
Oh, no, yeah, I know
but
what you
know
mean.
what I mean.
I know what you mean.
Presence lang.
Sure. I believe in that. I really believe in that.
Pagkakataon na there's a particular need or an urgent concern. And, mararamdaman
Was that
talaga.
a difficult time for your family?
Hindi siya nagkasakit.
Hindi nagkasakit?
Umabot sa ganun. Asthmatic lang siya. But in the middle of a long and intense asthma attack na he was insisting sa mga housemates. Assigned kasi siya out of town that time. He was insisting na, kaya ng inhalator, kaya ng nebulizer. So, nag-delay siya. They were insisting to bring him to the emergency room of the hospital. Nung finally, pumayag na siyang dalhin, he lost consciousness along the way. Tapos pagdating doon, hindi na nila siya ma-revive. He had a heart attack pala in the middle of the asthma attack.
Okay.
Sa ngayon, buong sikap na ginagampanan ni Risa ang pagiging nanay at tatay sa 4 na anak na sina Francisca Maria Ramon, Isabela Maria, Helena Maria at Jacinta Maria.
How was it bringing up 4 children on your own?
Well, even as a couple, di ba, challenging. Masaya, pero challenging talaga. Lalo na pag solo mom. And I met so many solo parents, most solo mom. Minsan nagbibiroan kami na, how do we do this? How do we raise our kids? Tapos tuloy ang trabaho rin sa labas ng bahay.
What was the most difficult part of it? Earning? Making enough money for the kids? Was that the most?
That's very difficult.
Yun ang pinakamahirap,
Yun talaga ang challenge.
Kasi paano?
And kaya tumatuwid din sa trabaho na since I experienced what many solo parents, especially solo moms experience. Kaya yung isang advocacy din na dapat yung gobyerno natin sumusuporta sa mga solo parents.
Para sa biyudang si Risa, bagamat di raw mawawala ang pangungulila, sa pagkawala ng kanyang asawa, tuloy pa rin ang buhay.
So now you are single na single.
Yes.
Let's talk about the love life. Di ba? Siyempre, hindi pwedeng wala. Di ba? So, let's talk about the love life of a pretty, intelligent, accomplished woman like you. Huwag mo sabihin wala, kasi walang maniniwala sa'yo. Pero naaano mo ba na you foresee gusto mo pa rin to settle down one day with a man, grow old with a person, have a life and things like that?
I've told the kids kasi na nung nagpakasal kami, yun naman yung intention namin, di ba, to grow old together. And I was happy. Kaya, syempre, bukas ako, gusto kong maging happy ulit na gano'n. Oo naman. Whether married or not, but to grow old together.
With someone.
Oo.
Oo.